Okay, let's make a video. Let's make a video now. Let's make a video. This could not be. This a little bit different than other one. You cannot make. Okay, you can go. You can go another one. This one. Okay, let's make a video now. This one need to return. So you need to make a video from here now. This one already finished. So you need to beginning again. Okay, and then you go to your video. And how to mix this, put the video together. Okay, this one was one of them. Okay, one of them. And then now you put it. You need to put the video now, not duplicate now. You need to add now. Add the video you have from your gallery. Add a video, and then you have another video. Which one? You was add this one. Now you add this one. Okay, because now this video is very, you need to make it big, but you need to make this one because this one already. Okay, and then this video, because this video you can make this video a little bit go in this side. You need to make a smaller this one. Okay, and then you can put them together. Okay, you can make this one is bigger and put this here. You need to fit them. Okay, and you can make them a little bit up. Cannot. Okay, like this. But you cannot make this video could see both of them. So you can background, you can lose the one of the background. Which one you want to lose their background? You want to lose the small one, right? And then you take out the background. Okay, take a little bit time to take out the background. Okay, after the background gone, and then you can make the video, two video become one. Okay, this need a little bit time because the ground cannot be together. Okay, so need to be wait for a while. Okay, the ground is gone already. So in order the ground is all right, everyone, and then you put together this another one. This ground you can make. You need to be careful with this size. Okay, and then this size need to be small. Okay, put them there, and then the background already okay, and then you come here again. Okay, So there's another one become a big. Okay, this already become 2. So now you need to check the sound now, who is talking.
Need sound. Really? Hello? Do you,
Okay, the sound is, you need to check the sound now. So let's see the sound of the video. The sound of the video, you need to, the sound of the video. So this one, who is talking first? Okay, this you need to make sure you cannot put them away. Okay, panjang this they don't have background. Okay, and then you make sure. Okay, now you make sure this one, who will talking first. So he's talking first. This mute the sound. You need to move the sound. Okay, and then you make the duplication of this, all this one. And then when you make the duplication, and then make sure the sound, now this sound will be removed. Okay, mute the sound and then be okay. Now all the video
need
that
sound.
will have
Hello?
on
I'm going to walk.
scenario.
Now is early. Need sound. Hello? I'm going to walk.
So you see the scenario is not very well yet, and this there, his hand, that is not very well talking. So you need to make him a little bit like this. You can check on it.
Need sound. Hello?
You see there, his hand is a little bit out. So you cannot do less that. Okay, let's see now.
Need sound. Hello? I'm going to walk.
Okay, his hand is not going very well. You can make a little bit smaller and then put a little bit here. It could not be. Okay, important he's not. Okay, the hair. Let's see now.
Now is early morning. Now is 8 o'clock. I'm going to my job now. So I'm look for my friend. Do you want to go with me or no?
So this need to be a little bit.
Oh, okay. Let's go tomorrow.
Okay. Now here, one person can move. This one need to speak here now in this first place. So he need to speak now. Okay. Then from this place.
Really? I want to go tomorrow with you. So now is
everything is okay.
Punit on. Hello? I'm going to walk.
But something here. But no, does not matter because he's the beside. Does not matter. Okay. Important is alright. Okay.
It's on. Hello? I'm going to walk. Now is early morning. Now is 8 o'clock.
You can make a little bit bigger.
To my job now. So I'm look for my friend. Do you want to go with me or no? Oh, okay, okay. Let's go tomorrow. Really? Do you? Really. I want to go tomorrow
Okay,
with
you
you.
got it already. And
Now
then now
is
you
today
can
is
download
8
it.
o'clock. So
You can download this video. Okay, download and then you got your video already, like that. Okay, that is you. They will complete it and then you can